Occurrence of metals. Only the most unreactive metals, example gold, silver, and platinum, are generally found in free or native state. Most metals occur in the form of their oxide ores, carbonate ores, or sulfide ores, etc. Minerals are the naturally occurring compounds of metals. Ores are those minerals from which metals can be profitably extracted. The impurities like soil, sand, rocky material, etc., which are present in ores along with metal compounds, are known as gangue.